Did you know that celery is an excellent kidney herb? My parsley was going to seed. Did you know that parsley is an excellent kidney herb? Couch grass is all through my yard and trying to get into my garden. I'm always pulling it out. Another kidney herb. So I gathered all of this, and what I did was I made her up a litre or a quart of tea every day with the celery seed. I just put the tops in, and I put some ginger in there to make it taste a little bit better so it didn't taste like grass.
In this video, you'll learn how your kidneys balance your body's pH, the best natural remedies for kidney health, a real-life story of avoiding dialysis naturally. But here's the good news. Your kidneys are designed to heal if you give them the right conditions. As a thank you for watching, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you learned from this video? Your insights help create a community where we all grow together. And if you haven't yet, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new insights on natural healing.
Let me give you a story to illustrate. We had a lady, she was coming to do our programs a few years ago now. She rang up Saturday night and she said, I'm very worried about coming to your retreat. I said, why is that? She said, well, I'm about to go on dialysis. I'm 57, my legs are swollen, and I'm worried if when I come to your retreat and go through the detox, I'll get worse. Do you have a doctor there? I said, we don't. But we will keep a close eye on you. We can adjust as we go, and there is a hospital an hour away if you need that. I said, we'll closely monitor you. The lady who rang me Saturday night. She said, oh, all right. Never had anyone come reluctantly to our health retreat before. I found out why later. Her mother and her sister had paid for her and were pushing her to go. So she came. She was having 3 cups of coffee a day. She's a nurse, and nurses drink a lot of coffee as a rule. Coffee dehydrates you even more. I discovered she had a gluten intolerance. And because she was a nurse eating a lot of fast food, with lots of cookies and sandwiches on the run, she said to me, I will not be able to walk with the guests in the morning. I said, that's right, not with those legs. But what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to get on that little rebounder for 1 minute every hour, just doing this, just this. That's called the health bounce. Anyone can do that. And that will stimulate the lymphatic system to start dispersing the fluid in the legs. I said, I want you to drink a litre of water a day and a litre of this tea. And that was far more than she was usually drinking. But I said, you are never to drink a whole glass at once. You have to drink it little by little, by little, by little. And the kidneys can cope a lot better with that. So Monday morning, she did not walk with the guests. Tuesday morning, she walked with the guests. Her legs had gone down by half. She was so excited. She hadn't seen them like that for weeks. She was a very happy lady when she went home. We wrote a program for her to continue. She emailed me 3 months later. She said, I don't have to go on dialysis. Isn't that incredible?
Let's take a closer look at how kidney function impacts your overall health. Your kidneys don't just remove waste. They play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, balancing sodium levels, and keeping your body properly hydrated. When your kidneys are struggling, you might experience fatigue, swelling, or even high blood pressure. All warning signs that your body's out of balance. But here's the surprising turn. Your kidneys are built to heal. Let's hear Barbara O'Neill break down exactly how your kidneys work and why keeping them in balance is essential for long-term health.
Another organ is your kidneys. Your kidneys do this in a fascinating way. The smallest unit in the kidney, which is a little nephron, it's a little filtering unit. It's called the Bowman's capsule, and out of the Bowman's capsule, the filtrate comes out. And then the filtrate weaves around these tubules and is eliminated via the bladder. So what happens with these little filtering units is the blood comes in, weaves around the filtering units, and then the blood weaves around the tubules. So let me show you where in the kidneys are these little filtering units. So the medulla is the middle part, the cortex is the outside, and all the little filtering units basically sit on the outside, and then the tubules weave down like this, then into the ureter, into the bladder, and out via the urethra comes the urine. So why am I talking about the kidneys with pH? Let's say the pH of the blood is getting too acid. Well, it's in this area of the blood going through the tubules that the pH is tested. You see, we we only filter out 1.5 litres of urine a day, but out of these filtering units, 1,800 litres is filtered out. So where does that go? There's a reabsorption here. And it's in the reabsorption area that pH is being monitored. So let's say the pH of the blood is getting too acid, and we'll look at why that is in a moment. Then extra acid is dropped into the tubules to be urinated out. But let's say the pH of the blood is going too alkaline. Well, it is here that extra acid is pulled back out of the tubules and into the blood. So that is how the kidneys are constantly monitoring and balancing, if necessary, the pH of the blood. So you can see that the kidneys not only filter the blood, they play an important role in what's called homeostasis, in balancing the body, in balancing the pH, in balancing the sodium and water balance in the body, in balancing blood pressure. I don't think you'll ever look at your kidneys the same again, will you?
And it's shocking how many people accidentally damage their kidneys without realizing it. Barbara O'Neill's holistic approach shows that healing is possible without expensive treatments or medication dependence. She goes further to illustrate that your kidneys need at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily to function properly. Without it, waste accumulates in the blood, leading to toxins, kidney stones, and long-term damage. Now that we have this knowledge, what are the best ways to keep our kidneys safe? 1. Stay hydrated the right way. Your kidneys rely on water to flush out toxins and maintain balance. But chugging large amounts at once isn't the solution. Instead, sip small amounts of water consistently throughout the day. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters daily. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, which dehydrate the body. Add herbal teas like parsley or celery tea to support kidney function. Eat kidney-friendly foods. What you eat directly affects kidney health. Processed foods, excess salt, and sugar cause strain, while natural foods support filtration and healing. Best foods for kidney health: leafy greens, berries, garlic and turmeric, which have anti-inflammatory properties, celery and parsley, which are known for natural kidney detoxification. We should avoid processed meats, which is high in sodium, and preservatives, sugary drinks, excessive dairy, and high-protein diets. 3. Exercise and keep blood flowing. Good circulation reduces kidney strain by ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach the organs. But you don't need intense workouts. Gentle, consistent movement is enough. These are the best exercises for kidney health. Rebounding stimulates lymphatic drainage and detox. Walking and stretching promotes blood flow and reduces inflammation. Deep breathing exercises improves oxygenation and kidney function. 4. Reduce toxin exposure. Toxins burden the kidneys, making them work harder to filter out harmful substances. Protect your kidneys by minimizing exposure to household toxins. Switch to natural cleaning products, pesticides and chemicals. Choose organic produce when possible. Medications. Overuse of painkillers, NSAIDs, can damage kidney function. Use natural alternatives when possible. 5. Get enough rest and reduce stress. Stress releases cortisol, which can raise blood pressure and impact kidney function. Poor sleep and chronic stress create inflammation, making it harder for kidneys to filter blood efficiently. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Reduce stress with meditation and deep breathing. Take breaks from screens and technology to lower cortisol levels. Your kidneys work 24/7 to keep your body in balance, but they need your help. By staying hydrated, eating clean, moving regularly, avoiding toxins, and managing stress, you can naturally protect and heal your kidneys. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on natural healing. And let's keep the conversation going. Comment below, what's one step you're taking today to support your kidney health?